Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open Disk Utility on your MacBook. Disk Utility is a built-in macOS tool that lets you manage storage drives, format disks, and even repair disk errors. So knowing how to access it is really useful. Let's get started. The fastest way to open Disk Utility is with Spotlight. Press Command plus space on your keyboard to open Spotlight Search. Type Disk Utility. When it appears in the results, press Enter and Disk Utility will open right away. You can also open Disk Utility from Finder. Start by opening Finder, then go to your Applications folder. Inside Applications, look for the Utilities folder and open it. In there, you'll find Disk Utility. Just click it to launch the app. And that's it. Now you know 2 easy ways to open Disk Utility on your MacBook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.